We're at the IKO Profit Power Workshop, learning some really cool things about driving profit, upselling, stuff like that here. We're having some really cool keynote speakers like Dmitry.
We had some great presenters today that were very enthusiastic and had some great information to share.
How to hold on to profit, how to help customers out better.
Hearing all the different speakers and everybody's point of view, even from different parts of the country, hearing what people deal with, I loved it.
If you guys are thinking about attending one of these, I would definitely do it. Not only is the knowledge good, but the networking is even better. You always want to rub shoulders with people who are more successful than you. You're going to gain their knowledge and you're not going to make the mistakes that they made.
I feel like it's been really beneficial for myself and my company.
For anybody that's looking to have more value from their manufacturer, I recommend coming to these type of events.
We had great food, great entertainment.
The food was really good. Drinks were really good. Watching everybody play baseball is a lot of fun.
Great company. We're having a lot of fun with the batting cages, and it's been a good time.
Getting to know everybody and networking, and that's what it's all about. Just sharing our knowledge and making it better for the next roofer.
That's what Profit Power teaches you. How to be a better roofer, how to grow your business so that you can make more money, and it's always a fun time. Come on out. We'll see you at Profit Power.